Okay, today I'm going to be cleaning up the stonework round the line, painted walls. I'm going to go over the wall again, it's just far too bright. So what I'll do is show you what I'm going to do with the stone. I'm just going to use some sandpaper, nice and simple. Yeah, I'll just keep going around like that and show you the result at the end. Yeah, done a long sill, a couple of stones up the side. I've done 2 stones in the middle. You can see the difference, massive difference. So I'll keep going. Okay, here she goes. That's as well sanded as I can get it. I'll just give you a wee close up. It's still a bit black, but whatever it was is dead. So I might give it another rub down later, or maybe some bleach might help it. Don't know. I'll have to research that. But here she goes. This window must be 100 years old anyway, the stonework at least, so you can forgive the odd chunk missing from it, and up the top was quite bad. That's the shape of the stone, it's all eroded. I'm not quite sure why this side's gotten so bad. It's on the south side, so maybe it's to do with the weather, I don't know. It's quite shaded as well in the winter, so that's probably what it is. These are all just original marks. We actually replaced this sill, me and my pal Gamba. This mark wasn't here, but it was the cement mixer lorry trying to get into the drive, and he just caught that. So that's a wee story of the house. I'm just going to leave it. But compared to what it was, massive difference. Quite happy with that. Still a few little touch-up bits to do, but it's not important. So as for the wall, I'm gonna do something with it. I'm gonna dull it down. I'm gonna try and get it a bit lighter than the limestone wall there, window. I've still got that one up there today, but you can see the difference. I mean, that was what, maybe an hour's work of sanding and an hour's work of the whitewash. So by the time I get up there, it'll be 2 hours work. And it's, if you get anything out of this video, thumbs up, subscribe, because there's quite a bit more to do in this house before we hand it over. Right, take care, bye bye.